Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. How's everybody doing today? The crypto markets has been, oh my goodness, but no worries, because we got a Blanko'S block party, so we can feel better about play to earn, even though the coins and everything is just, it's all gone. Everything is gone. There's no point of selling. It's at zero. But on the brighter news, I got a new NFT. That's the NFT I got, Bright Pals. I think it looks really cool. Reminds me of the doodles from the Ethereum blockchain, but obviously this one is on the Cardano. I'll probably get a couple more just because they're actually pretty cheap. Not financial advice. Let me know what you guys think, or any other NFT projects you guys think that are cool. Alright, so we are now in Blanko'S block party. As always, we're going to play the 3 games. We got the racing, we got catching the vibes, and we got the shooting game. Alright, looks like we're starting off with the race, but we will do our best as defaults. Defaults unite. Oh no way, you're telling me the graphics are bad again? Right, looks like this map is just jetpack dedicated, I guess. Somehow we are in 4th place. Doing good so far. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Oh no, jetpack. Okay, we're good. I feel like I'm just going in circles. We're in 3rd place now. We are in 3rd place. Speed. Is this the finish line? Suicide? Oh my god. We did it. 3rd place. I'll take it. Look at that. That's me. We need redemption from last time. There we go. Every man for himself. Hunger Games style. Where's the guns? Oh, why is the graphics like this? Come on, don't do this. Here, we'll walk. How about that? Someone's trying to shoot at me? Oh my god, you can get hurt by the cactus. Come on. No gun. Okay. No, I'm not camping. Oh my gosh, someone's behind me. Oh my gosh. Found a gun. Now shoot. Oh, he's already dead. Oh, he's already dead. What? His health bar is on 0. How is he still alive? Oh my god. No, wait, we're defaults. We gotta be friends. We're defaults. Nice, that's 1. Finally. Go, 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 go. Come on, guys. Speed. I am speed. Easy work. Oh, damn, I missed so many. Okay, we're in 1st place. Okay, we're in 2nd again. Jump. I need to build some momentum. There we go.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Oh my gosh, we got 10 seconds. Default skin for the win. Come on, guys. W in the chat. Anybody? Anybody? W's in the chat. That's gonna conclude today's video, so make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment, share with all your friends. Like I said before, the market is crazy right now. Next video is gonna be X Infinity, hopefully as soon as I'm done figuring that out. But yeah, like always, make sure to follow me on Twitter for all the latest NFT updates or crypto Twitter news. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.